All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 4 on CR number 6. What is the value of the expression below? -13 minus a -9. Okay, the first thing you should always do is rewrite your double signs as a single sign. And you'll know you have double signs when you have two signs touching without a number in between. That's considered a double sign. Two signs touching without a number in between. To go from your double signs to your single signs, you can use your hashtag. That is double signs to single signs. It's also your rules for multiplying and dividing integers. But to go from a double sign to a single sign, minus a negative becomes a positive. So minus a negative becomes a positive. So that's step 1. Whenever I have double signs, I rewrite them as a single. So that's -13 now plus 9. Lots of ways to go about this. I'm going to show you, ooh, that's so ugly, on a number line, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13. So on a number line, I'd start at -13. As long as I have a single sign here, I'm adding 9, adding a positive would tell me to move right from my -13. And the nice thing about single signs is if the single sign is a positive, you're moving right. So I'm moving right 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I end up right here at -4. So that final answer is -4. If you don't want to have to use your number line, you can always say, are the signs the same or are the signs different? So you can just look at the signs. Once I know I have to combine these, I look at my signs. So the sign in front of the 13 is a negative. The sign in front of the 9 is a positive. Signs are different. One of them's negative, the other's positive. So if signs are different, you're going to find the difference. And the reason we do that is because difference. Difference in math means to subtract. So signs are different. You'll find the difference, and then you'll keep what you have more of. And so then I just have to figure out what I have more of. Do I have more positives or more negatives? Sorry about that. Okay. Signs are different. You find the difference, keep what you have more of. Signs are different, find the difference. So the difference between 13 and 9, this would be my scrap. What's 13 minus 9? 13 minus 9 is 4. What do I have more of? Well, I have 13 negatives and only 9 positives. So I have more negatives, which is why my answer is -4. 13 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 negatives and only 9 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positives. 13 negatives and only 9 positives. And you know every positive negative pair, it's bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Every positive and negative pair, 0 right out. And once I zero out any positive and negative pairs, I say, what am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. So those are the 3 different strategies your teachers taught you. First of all, they taught you double sign to a single sign. They said you could use a number line. They said you could use the rule, signs are different, find the difference, keep what you have more of. Or they said just draw out 13 negatives, 9 positives, zero out your opposite pairs. What are you left with? I'm left with 4 negatives. So they gave you 3 different strategies. And so you just have to pick one that works for you and use it all the time. Hopefully eventually you get to just using the rule. But some of us use number lines for the rest of our lives, and that's fine. I hope that helps.